Hi, my name is McKenna, and I am here with my friend Earthy, and we are here to talk about veganism. So, what is your thought about being vegan? I've heard you've been vegan just for a few months.
Yes, yeah. Before that, I was vegetarian, and I would have milk in my cereal every day. And you know, I just thought about it. Um, who knows if your eggs may have had a baby chicken in it that didn't survive because someone took them into a store.
Personally, for me, I used to, like a month ago, big meat eater, and then last week I was just like, I'm starting to realize what I'm eating. I am starting to realize what is happening, and I'm just like, I am so sad. And I'm like, Mom, I'm being vegan, and then I'm like, Mom, I can't be vegan, and then like a day after that, I'm like, I'm going vegan. It's official. I'm vegan. I'm going vegan.
So yeah, it's really important to think about what you're really eating because you could just be eating something that isn't good for you. I've actually read things about how being vegan is actually better for you. Um, how not having meat is like meat and cheese is actually bad for you. There's some cheese that actually has mold in it, which is really like my mom, she would have like blue cheese and stuff, and her stomach would hurt afterwards. And she's like, why? And then she realizes what's in that cheese because there's mold in it. And then she stopped eating it, and her stomach felt better. She substituted it for a different cheese, and her stomach felt better.
Like personally, for me, I used to have so many skin colored bumps on my skin, and it would just be crazy, and it would drive me nuts. I went vegan 2 days after that. My skin was cleared. Like, just you can like feel my arm right now, and it's like smooth. I'm just there's less hormones in your body that you have to process, which is much better for your body. And I feel like being vegan is so much healthier for you, and I just feel like I'm being kinder to the earth whenever I do it.
I don't think kinder is a word, McKenna, but definitely. I'm grammar police right here, so. Once someone was trying to be funny and they slapped a piece of like salami or something on my arm, and I was crying. You remember that, don't you?
Yes, I remember that.
Don't say any names.
I don't want to name call, and yeah, but it was someone. I remember like hearing a scream, and I was like, "What the heck?" And then I saw, and then I was like, "Oh no, what happened?" So
You just said my real name. We have to start over.